Hey guys, this is Arlie coming to you from back in the RV. I got about a half a project done here. I was replacing the, I'm fixing the hinges on the vent, the roof vent. It doesn't have a fan, it's just a crank handle one. I went up there the other day, something had fallen on it, so I was bending it back, and in the process I popped the rivets out of the hinge so it could close, but then it couldn't open because it sets back. So what I did was I drilled out the rivets and I replaced them with 3/8 inch 8x sheet metal screws. So I was about to put the last one in here. I just figured I would show you what's going on in case anybody else ever had this same problem. So here's my roof vent, and then these holes are where the hinge from behind here, this was sagging down when you opened it. So when you went to go close it, it would hang up about here somewhere. And of course there's a screen and a flange over that, so I can't reach my hand in there every time to do that. So I got these, sorry for the mess, it's crazy in here. I got these, I don't know if you can see it too well with my hand in the way, obviously not. 3/8 inch, 1/4 inch drive. And I just been screwing these in there with the drill. Now I do use a drill instead of an impact so I don't overdo it. But these screws were more than big enough for this. I probably could have got smaller ones. But let's get that in there and then give it a test and see if it works. Oh yeah, you can see it drawing the lid up when I did that. When I tightened them. So I got a broken crank handle on here. I need a new one of those or to super glue it. Let's see if she'll come down nice. Oh yeah, all the way down. Alright, well she go back just as easy. Put that crank handle back on. Oh yeah. She'll open and close no problem now. Geez, I had ordered a $40 new lid for this, new kit for this today. And now I fixed it with sheet metal screws. Well, maybe I could cut a hole for another one, or the other one had a smoke clear plastic on it, so I don't know, maybe I'll enjoy that one. But I've inspected all around the edges while I got this open. There's no wetness in there, there's no leaks, so it looks pretty good. Alright guys, this is Arlie back in the RV. Thanks again for watching us. Hopefully something you see on our videos will inspire you to get your own RV and try to live in it. I'm not all the way there yet. I still rent a room, a weekly room that I keep my stuff in, and I have a storage unit, but I'm gone in the RV most of the time. I'm actually parked at my place where I rent right now. Alright guys, thanks again.